Welcome to SendMailer Pro. In this first tutorial, I'll show you how to add email sending accounts. Before SendMailer Pro can send a campaign, you need to configure at least one account that the application will use as the sender. SendMailer Pro supports 3 connection methods. My Email Provider, or SMTP, is the best choice for custom domains, dedicated SMTP services, hosting email, Yahoo, and most other providers. It is usually the recommended option for larger campaigns. Microsoft uses secure browser sign-in for Outlook and Microsoft 365 accounts, and is convenient for smaller volume sending. Gmail SMTP is a manual Gmail setup for personal Gmail accounts, using an app password. To start, open the home screen and click Add Account. This opens the email sending accounts window, where you can manage all sending accounts. Click Add Account again to create a new one. First, enter the sender identity. Account name is only a friendly label inside SendMailer Pro, for example, work, newsletter, or marketing. Your name is the sender name recipients will see in the From field, for example, John Doe, or customer support. Email address is the address that will be used as the sender. When the details are ready, click OK. Let's start with a standard SMTP account. Choose My Email Provider, SMTP. Use this option when your provider gives you SMTP server settings, or when you use a dedicated SMTP service for campaigns. The identity fields are already filled in. Now enter the SMTP settings from your email provider. In the server section, check the SMTP server address, port, and encryption. SendMailer Pro may suggest values automatically, but you should always verify them against your provider's instructions. In the authentication section, choose the login method. For most accounts, this will be password. The username is usually your full email address. Enter the password or app-specific password required by your provider. Before saving the account, click Test. SendMailer Pro will connect to the server and send a test message to the same email address. If the test succeeds, you will see a success message. If there is an error, check the server address, port, encryption, username, and password. The error message can also be useful when contacting your email provider's support team. After a successful test, click Save. The SMTP account is now available in the accounts list and can be used in future campaigns. Next, let's add a Microsoft account. Click Add Account, enter the account name, sender name, and email address, and then choose Microsoft, Outlook, Microsoft 365. SendMailer Pro opens your default browser and waits for Microsoft authentication. Sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account and, if necessary, approve the requested sending permissions. Your Microsoft password is not entered or stored inside SendMailer Pro. When authentication is complete, SendMailer Pro sends a test email and saves the account. You can select the account later and click Test again at any time. If authentication expires, use Reauthorize to sign in again. Finally, let's add a Gmail SMTP account. Click Add Account, enter the sender identity, and choose Gmail SMTP. This option is intended for personal Gmail accounts. SendMailer Pro prefills the Gmail SMTP settings, including the Gmail SMTP server and port. Gmail SMTP requires 2-step verification and an app password. Use the generated app password in the password field, not your regular Google account password. If you still need to enable 2-step verification or create an app password, use the links in the Setup Assistant, Open 2-Step Verification, Open App Passwords, or Open Gmail Setup Help. Some work or school Google accounts may not allow app passwords, so check your account settings if the option is not available. After entering the app password, click Test. If the test succeeds, click Save. The Gmail SMTP account is now ready for smaller volume sending. That's it. You can now add SMTP, Microsoft, and Gmail SMTP sending accounts in SendMailer Pro. For larger campaigns, use a dedicated SMTP provider whenever possible. For Outlook or Microsoft 365, use Microsoft Browser Sign-In. For personal Gmail, use Gmail SMTP with an app password. Always test your account before using it in a campaign. In the next tutorial, we'll create or import contacts, so your first campaign has an audience to send to.